Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into Viber application on your Android device. To log into Viber using Android, first of all, open up the Viber application on your device first. If you don't have the app yet, download it from your Google Play Store. Once you open up Viber, you will see this welcome screen. Tap on Start Now at the bottom. Now on the next page, select your country from the drop-down and type down a phone number. After entering your phone number, click on Continue. Allow Viber to access your contacts by tapping Allow. Allow other permissions such as call logs, and you will then be able to verify your phone number. On the next page, you will receive an SMS or a phone call which you'll need to answer, and you will be able to see this interface. Type down your name, profile picture, date of birth on this page. Now, after entering all of your details, click on the tick mark at the bottom right. Allow Viber to make and manage phone calls by tapping Allow. Allow other necessary permissions, and just like that, you will be signed into your Viber account. Now, you'll be required to verify your email. Go open up your email service provider's app and look for an email from Viber. After you open it up, tap on Confirm Email. And soon after you do that, you can go ahead and use Viber right on your Android device. That is how you log into Viber on Android. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.